Hi, and welcome to the Likeable Forms Mailgun SMTP extension tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to add your SMTP credentials into your Likeable Forms Mailgun extension. To get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key, and you'll also need your SMTP password. Now, to be clear, this is not the password you use to log in with, it's your SMTP password, so please don't confuse the two. Next step is you want to go ahead and hit Verify License Key. And then once your license key has been validated, we can go ahead and jump into our extension settings. So the first step is adding our SMTP domain/hostname. This is going to be our endpoint, and it's the same for everyone. So if you're going to use Mailgun, the domain name is smtp.mailgun.org. The next step is adding our SMTP username. So this should be generated for you once you generate your SMTP credentials on Mailgun. For us, we're just going to add in our dummy account. The next step is adding our from name. Now, this is going to be specific for everyone. It's very unique, and for us, it's going to be our company name, which is Likeable Forms. And then the last step is configuring our port number and protocol. So at the time of filming this, Mailgun currently recommends port 587 and using the TLS protocol. So now you can change this. It's really going to be based on your deliverability rates. But as of right now, this is the recommended configuration. The final step is actually saving our SMTP settings. So unlike traditional extensions where you can just hit the form save button, we actually want to apply this site-wide. And so instead of having to re-add your credentials for each form, this will actually save it for all forms. There you have it.